In this lesson, we'll be sight reading and playing the longer note values from quarter notes, crotchets, through to the breves or double whole notes. I invite you to play along with me. You can clap along or go into the kitchen and grab a saucepan and a fork and you can join in. Go ahead and use your handy guide to note values if it helps you remember what we've learnt so far. Let's start with the reference note, the quarter note or crotchet, and its rest. I'm going to use this tin can and 2 forks. So we've looked at these and we've looked at these. Now it's time to look at the others. This time we're going to use a minim, followed by a minim rest, and then a semi-breve. Worth 2, worth 2, worth 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time do it super duper fast because I want to show you something. I'll count in again. I'll give 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to go really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now play this one here. See if you can hear that they sound actually the same. Remember, this hangs around for longer than this. This is the whole note rest, worth 4, and this is the minim rest, worth 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. As musicians, we always need to practice more. In the next few lessons, we'll be doing just that.